I would not do the neck one. Because if that bit goes wrong, then I'm like that forever. So I'm not on it. It's not happening. It's not happening. No. Keep my back. I'm not cleaning my neck.
Do it. And out. What's going on, people? It's Harvey back with another video, and today we've got the owner of Sporting and Lifestyle, Case. What are you saying, bro?
I'm here.
Good, yeah?
I'm here, yeah.
What injuries do you have?
Left shoulder.
Yeah.
I think it's rotated, I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
But,
I see you doing your little...
Yeah. I do all that, the rehab stuff.
Yeah.
So this left shoulder, so that first got dislocated from a motorbike crash in 2014.
Yeah.
And then I had another motorbike crash in 2015 on the motorway.
Yeah.
So it keeps getting battered. I managed to come back from it.
You injured the same shoulder?
Yeah.
On the motorway?
Yeah. I was in the full level. I was in full levels, so I was alright. But, so yeah, all these motorbike crashes, that don't help.
Yeah.
So the thing is, I can still push weight, but I can't lay with my arms crossed.
Yeah.
So I'm restricted. Like I can do weight motion, but I can't lay on the bed like that. I
see this shoulder naturally come forward.
I think even when I lay down, it just overcompensates. I don't know. Here, mad, it's not on the right side.
Right side, yeah. Is that from your clean and presses?
I don't know what it's from, but literally I get to get mad little knots there. I try to stretch it out and stuff.
First thing, we're going to set your shoulder up, and then see what's going on with the back, and then we're going to do treatment. We're going to fix you up, and I'll give you some exercises for you to go home with and bang out.
Alright, cool.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Where is it?
It's basically the back bit.
Nice.
It's not even the front.
Yeah. I'm just going to have a little feel,
yeah?
Here on the infrastructure. Yeah, I can feel there's a little bit of tenderness around here.
Yeah, that's what I've got to mention. So when I was doing squats into overhead press, the bar went back and it tore. That's the last injury I had on it. Yeah, so it's been getting back.
Bring your arm up. All the way up. All the way up. And you pain? Nah. Come down. Just you know what I've noticed? When you're coming into end range, you sort of stiffen up a little.
Yeah, because if I have it relaxed, then it starts hurting.
Yeah. And then come up like this. Yeah, that's. You bring
a little bit of the back.
A little bit of the back. Let's just see your scapular motion. Do that again.
See, now that hurts now.
Yes. And then come down again.
What way? This way?
Yeah, all the way. And then come up. I'm just going to see the scapula. Okay, a little bit of winging going on.
Yeah.
Okay, and come back down.
Sorry. Your friends have done.
Come like that.
Yeah.
Any pain in that?
Not really, nah. That's alright if I do this if I'm warm.
Alright.
But it still feels a little bit knotty.
And then keep it like this, bro. Just going to do a little test just to see if there's any pain with that. Relax it. Quick. Any pain?
Nah.
Thumbs up, push up as hard as you can. It just looks a bit like you've got a little bit of tension in the rotator cuff.
The main issue is when I lay down, like
Lie down.
arms crossed, yeah.
That
hurts. That hurts, yeah.
Coming into
like lay like that.
into extension, yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to lay on my back like that. Like I can't. That hurts.
Like is it like shock pain? Is it dull?
Yeah, literally, like, it just hurts. It's here.
Just there, yeah.
Yeah.
Right at the infrastructure.
Yeah. Oh my god. I can't move.
You'll be calm. Have a seat, bro. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna release that tension.
Yeah.
In your infraspinatus.
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do as well, we're gonna treat that lower back. Is that when you bend down as well?
Nah, it's just tight. It's really knotty. Yeah.
Do you drive a lot?
Yeah.
Okay, it might go tight up there.
Yeah, it's just on the right side.
But it's not on any movement, so
nah, it's just tight.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna release Case's rotator cuff, particularly the infraspinatus, because when he's coming into this position, it's more or less external rotation and horizontal abduction, so coming away, he's getting a bit of tightness, especially when he's sleeping or when he's bringing his shoulders back. So we're gonna release that, and we're gonna release the knot that he has in his lower back on the right side. So let's get into the treatment now. before?
Years ago. I mean, I do that. You see the stuff you see me do, that little mobility stuff.
Yeah.
The doc showed me like 1 or 2 things, but I didn't actually like had a proper fit. I think once.
So right now we're just releasing his infraspinatus muscle. His rotator cuff.
Oh my god!
It's a shoulder stabilizer, helps bring the shoulders back, and it helps improve overhead mobility as well.
Yeah, I need that because I'm trying to get into like the Olympic lifts.
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn it. Normal training is just, I don't know. Like, I still like the whole idea of bodybuilding and stuff.
Yeah.
But, I don't do it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You know what, Case, when I'm doing this, yeah? Look at me.
Oh,
Look at me.
oh.
Just move your shoulder like this, yeah? Up and down. Like that.
Left one, yeah?
So come like this. So come like that, yeah?
Alright, cool. Oh my god, I can't move my arm. No way.
Yeah, you can.
Impossible.
You can.
Is he sure?
Let's go. One. So how much you weigh now?
Good question. I reckon last time I weighed myself just before it was just before I was at 87 and a bit.
Yeah.
But as you know, I've got that illness. I've got sarcoidosis, so
Yeah.
Oh, serious?
yeah, it's a disease. It's not contagious, by the way. So
Yeah.
so
No.
that's strong, isn't it? Oh my god. I was, that KSI needs loading thing. I had that.
It was good, man. So I flew out to Vegas, innit?
Yeah, I saw it on your Instagram and Snapchat.
Yes, it was good. I flew out to Vegas in that.
Yeah.
And then,
Was that the fight?
yeah,
Yeah.
KSI versus Logan Paul.
I thought Logan was gonna win that first, you know.
A lot of people did.
Yeah, I did. But hard work pays off.
Yeah, hard work pays off. Then we was there for like 6 weeks, training in Vegas. And then flew out to LA.
Yeah.
And the fight after was mad.
Serious.
It was mad. Ever get any pins and needles or numbness?
Yeah, my traps. I get like nuts. Oh my god.
You look at these jobs and all these things they require, and you think, you know what, if I put all this into my own venture.
Some people, they can do is while they're working, they can slowly build something on the side and then do that transition.
Yeah.
Only
That's a smart way.
Yeah. I'm feeling knocked around straight away.
You got to warm up muscles with massage before I go deep into it.
Yeah, but
Same with working out. You got to warm it up before you go deep.
I feel looser already.
Yeah.
Straight
You
away.
can even feel the backs relief as well.
Yeah, I feel looser straight away.
We're gonna go for some clicks now, yeah? Bro, you'll be calm, I promise you.
When I see the videos, I'm thinking, is it even real? I would not be the next one. Because if that case goes wrong, then I'm like that forever. I'm not on it. It's not happening. Keep my back. I'm not cleaning my neck.
Breathe in. And out.
Oh, good, yeah.
Breathe in. And out. Calm.
Respect. Yeah, feel loose.
You know what? You feel a bit like spaced out, innit?
Yeah,
That's how you
a
feel.
little head rush, but you feel free.
How you feeling, bro? After treatment?
Feel good. I'm a little bit worried about the clicks, but I feel good. I feel a lot looser around here as well.
Yeah.
You got deep into the tissue, that felt proper.
Yeah.
Because like, when you're sore and feeling all these aches and pains, you can never get to it yourself.
Nah.
But yeah.
Good, yeah. Have loads of water today, flush out the toxins. Let's just see your shoulder mobility again, see how that's going. Put your shoulders up again. Feel looser now.
Yeah, straight away.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn the notification bells on. Case, tell them your socials.
So on Snapchat, @SeriousAbout, and Instagram, @Sport and Lifestyle.
How many followers you on now?
22k
22k
on Instagram.
on Instagram. If we get him to 30k, I'll click his neck. So follow him up and be sure to.
I'll stay on my 22, you're not clicking my neck. You're not
Nah, follow him
You
ASAP.
follow me, but it's okay.
And
Get me to
also,
29 then.
if I get 300 likes on this video as well. Peace.